At Environmental Works, we provide essential services to public and private sector clients every single day. And now we offer COVID-19 services. If your facility is located in the Central States and needs an emergency decontamination, our experienced ER personnel can respond right away. And if your business is interested in preventative sanitation cleaning services, we can help with that too. Our main goal is to keep your business running. That's why our other essential services are so essential. If your company has been deemed essential, let us make sure it stays open with our essential services. These include hazardous waste handling, cleanup, and hauling, industrial cleaning of manufacturing, food, and agricultural facilities, commercial real estate assessment services, construction and demolition, emergency response services, gas station, pipeline, and laundromat investigation and remediation services, power plant cleaning services, waste and wastewater plant maintenance, Phase 1 and 2 environmental assessments, compliance and tank inspections, and stormwater services. If you have an environmental need, call us right away at 877-827-9500. We promise to complete your project with the right combination of science, safety, grit, and ingenuity.